Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to save or export a video from CapCut directly to your phone's gallery. This method works on both iPhone and Android devices, so no matter what you're using, you can follow along. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut editing app and complete your video editing. Once you're done with all your edits, you're ready to export the video. Look at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see export-related options. Tap on the option that shows settings like AI UHD, and a menu will open, allowing you to choose the resolution, frame rate, and bit rate for your video. Keep in mind that selecting higher values will result in better video quality. After choosing your preferred settings, tap the Export button on the right side of the screen. If you're using an older version of CapCut, you may see a small arrow instead. Just tap that to begin exporting. Your video will then start saving to your photo gallery. However, if you tap Export and see a message saying the video can't be saved, that means your project includes a pro element. This could be a font, transition, animation, or another feature that's only available to CapCut Pro users. To export the video for free, you'll need to go back and remove any pro elements from your project. Once all pro features are removed, tap the Export button again, and your video will save to your camera roll without any problems. And that's it. That's how you can save or export your video from CapCut to your gallery quickly and easily. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.